going to be showing you how to upload your video in 2026 the absolute right way. There are several ways to upload your video. You can either upload through the desktop version, you can also upload through the YouTube app itself. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload and optimize your video the right way, and we're going to be using the desktop version. Hi, if you're new here and you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Manita and welcome back to Manita's Create. On this channel, I talk about YouTube growth, monetization, content creation, and all those amazing stuffs when it comes to creating. So let me jump into the screen recording, okay? To your gallery, where you have your videos and all of that. You click on the video you want to upload, and then you go to where it says save files. Then you click on it, and then you see that it's showing here that it's showing DJI Memo and some numbers. So that's what it shows typically, some numbers and all of that. You want to take it out. You want to I'll go ahead and clean it off, delete it, and then I'll put the title of the video. So let's say how to get 4,000 watch hour, or how to create content, or whatever title you have. So for this one, I'm going to write why you should start creating in 2026. Yeah, let me just put it like that. Okay, now I've done that. Then I'll now click on save. Okay, so the video is now saved in my file. Then I'll head over to the YouTube desktop site, not the app, not the YouTube app itself, but the desktop site. Okay, so here it is. That's welcome to studio. Continue to studio. Then I would go to the place it says plus, the plus icon right here. You see upload video, you see go live, you see create post, you see new playlist, new podcast, and new course. If you're going live, you click. If you're doing a post, maybe community post, you click, depending on what you want to do. But for this video, we're uploading a video. So now you see select files to give you the four options, either from your photo library, your take photo or video if you want it instantly, or choose file or Google Drive. So in this case, it will be choose files. That's why I saved it initially on choose files, on files. Okay, now I'm seeing series of videos I have. Then I'll click on the one I just saved. Then open. Okay, so this is it. Now you see that in the details my title is already there because I saved it using the title of the video, right? Okay, so at this point I don't need to do anything here because I've already written the title. So you see where it says thumbnail. So this is the place you can upload. If you already have a thumbnail, you should already have a thumbnail, and if you don't have a thumbnail, you leave it. You can do that later in the YouTube app, right? So now this way you can select your playlists. Just put this done. Then is it made for kids? It's asking you, is this made for kids? You say no, it's not made for kids. You always want to leave it at no, it's not made for kids, so that they can, they won't restrict your videos to certain age bracket. They won't restrict your videos. I mean, let's see, show more. So they're asking, is it a paid promotion? If you accepted anything for this value or third party, you click. Me, I'm not clicking. I didn't do that. It's asking, is it AI? Did you use AI? If you use AI for the editing, you click yes. If you did not, you click no. So no. No. Okay, so now it's asking, are you collaborating? Do you want to invite a collaborator? You indicate by that one. Then now it's asking now, allow automatic chapters. You mark it if you want it. If you don't want it, you mark it. Allow automatic places, you mark. Allow automatic concepts, then asking for tag. You put your tag, your hashtag, your tags, basically. Then Okay, then you go to monetization. If you're monetized, you click on done. You add suitability, you just accept it here, submit. Then let's go to the video elements. You want to add end screen. So if you want to add end screen, you can use a you can either use one video, one subscribe, or two videos, any which way. So I'm going to do this one, and you have options. Let's click on the element. Let's see, you have options of putting either video, playlist, subscribe channel, or link. So for this one, I'll just use best for viewers, right? And then you go ahead and save it. So now let's go to the visibility. Very essential. You don't want to upload your video straight to YouTube like that, in case you want to edit, or you want to, there's a mistake you made, or you want to do some finishing touches, or in case there's copyright. So you don't want to go straight to YouTube. You want YouTube to have time, few hours, to be able to run their checks and all of that, right? So you want to always put it on private or unlisted. So private, only you and the people you choose to can watch the video. If you share it privately, then unlisted, anyone with the link, anyone you give the video link can also watch. The members only, people that are subscribed, people that are paying some kind of fee, they're members to your channel, can watch it. But if you put it in public, the whole world can watch it, and then you can also decide to set it as instant premiere or schedule the video. So if, let's say, you want to put the video tomorrow, you can schedule it at a particular time. You can put the timing and everything, right? Then you just, for now, me, I want it to be on so let me see, let me schedule the video for, I don't even know, I'm not putting it on. I can put it for Friday. Put the timing anytime you deem fit. Then you now click on schedule. So the video is still loading. I see it has 23 minutes. Let me just go and put it on. No, I don't want to. I'll just leave it on private now. So let's see. So that's it, basically. That's how you upload your video the right way. And then you also add your descriptions. You can either add your description at this point, or you can add it in the app, right? So the video is still loading to details. This is where you add the description. You can just write something. Me, I'm going to leave it for now because this video is just an example. I've not edited the video, right? So you just put your description where it says description. You can either put it now. If you don't have any description in mind, you can go to ChatGPT and just tell it what the video is about, and it will summarize it for you. So yeah. Then let's see, still checking. So when it's done, it's taking like forever. Sometimes it does this. So when it's done, you'll see all checks done and processing will begin. And when it says processing will begin shortly, know that it's remaining a very few amount of minutes. And voila, that's it. You can also go to the, well, since it's loading, I can't really show, since it's still uploading. You can go to the YouTube app as well to to finish up the. So that's it for how to upload video the right way. And then when you're finished with the YouTube desktop site, you can actually still go to the app and finish up that day. If you're posting that day, you can do that day or the next day, and add your description from the YouTube app, and add your thumbnail if you didn't already add your thumbnail, and then yes, add your tags and all the other necessary things, your tags and all of that, and then voila, your video is up and ready to go. So yes, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, and all you do, keep growing, learning and unlearning. Bye for now. Adios.